Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Everyday Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of everyday science by practicing a lot of questions. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Leetcode regarding number of accounts that did not stream. The difficulty level of this question is medium, and I'm going to share the SQL schema as well as the Panda schema in the description box below. Okay, the question reads: we are given a table called subscriptions with three different columns: account ID, start date, and end date. Account ID being the primary key column for this table. Each row of this table indicates the start and end dates of an account subscription. Note that always start date is less than end date. We are also given a second table called streams with three different columns again: session ID, account ID, and stream date. Session ID being the primary key, account ID is the foreign key from the subscriptions table. Each row of this table contains information about the account and the date associated with the stream session. Okay, we are asked to write a SQL query to report the number of accounts that bought a subscription in 2021 but did not have any stream sessions. Actually, the description of this part of the question is wrong. The question actually is trying to ask who all have a active subscription in 2021 but did not have any stream sessions in 2021, right? So there is a small correction on this description, because if we go through this example, right? So here, if we look at, there are six different account IDs and who all are active in 2021. So if you look at account ID 9, yes, active for some part of 2021. 3 is also active in 2021. 11 is not. 13, 4, and 5. So 5 of the 6 are active in 2021, but who all did not stream in 2021? So 9 was active but did not stream in 2021. 3 did. 11 was not active, so we don't need to care about them. 13 did. 4 did not, and 5 did. So 4 and 9 are the two accounts who were active in 2021 but did not stream in 2021, and that is what we have in our output, two accounts. And if you look at this explanation, this is the same explanation, right? So, but if you go by the description of this question, you are not going to end up with that explanation, right? So that is why we need to try to look for accounts that were active in 2021 but did not have any stream session in 2021. So firstly, what we can do is we can merge these two tables on the account ID column so that we have the subscriptions as well as the streams in one place. So let us try to do that. So from this table called subscriptions, aliased as S1, let us left join the second table streams, aliased as S2. Since both of them has the same column and we are joining on that, so let's use the using clause. So using the account ID column, and let's keep all the columns coming from the both the tables. So let us try to run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So now if we look at this, so our output is something along this lines. Let me just drag it to the left so that it's easier for us to visualize. So now we have all the account IDs, their start date, end date, their streaming sessions, and on what date did they stream. Now the first part of the question is who all were active in 2021. So if you are active in 2021, your end date should be 2021 or greater than 2021, right? Because there could be some accounts who were active throughout 2021 and maybe cancelled in 2022, right? So your year of end date should be either 2021 or greater than 2021. So from this, let us keep only those rows where S1 dot end date, because end date is coming from the subscription, right? So end date, if you extract the year out of this, so year of end date is greater than or equal to 2021. That means they were active in 2021. So now if we look at it, out of the 6, 5 of them were active. Then we also need to make sure that they did not stream in 2021. So that means the year of the stream date column is not equal to 2021. So, and let us keep only those rows where year of S2 dot stream date is not equal to 2021. Let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So now if you look at it, there are only two people who were active in 2021 but did not have any streaming in 2021. So in this, what we need in our output, we need the counts, right? So if you look at our output, there is a accounts count. So let us return the count of S1 dot account ID, and let's do a distinct count, right? Because we were doing a left join, right? So here we are doing a left join. So it is possible that multiple streams and all that. So that leads to more than one row for particular account. So distinct count, and let's alias this as accounts count. Okay, let me go ahead and run this. Let's see what do we get in our output. So yeah, this is accepted. Our output is exactly like expected output. Let me go ahead and submit it, see if it passes all the test cases or not. So yeah, this is accepted and this is how to do it. So not a difficult question. What we basically had to do was, firstly, we merged the two tables using the left join so that we have the subscription as well as the streaming information at one place. We used the account ID column, and then we kept only those rows where the account was active in 2021. That means the year of the end date column is either 2021 or more than that, and they did not stream in 2021. That means the year of the stream date is not equal to 2021. We performed a count of how many accounts satisfy both of these conditions, and that is how we got the output. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better, more efficient solution to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.